Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. So click on that and you need to update your Facebook application by clicking on this update button. So once you complete that step you need to go back and you simply need to open settings of your smartphone and you need to go into the app management and click on app list, and once you are in the app list you simply need to search for the Facebook. Click on that. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK, and after that you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that you need to go back and you need to restart your smartphone and you need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you need to log in into your Facebook account, you simply need to click on this icon, and here you can see ask Meta AI anything. So now it is enabled, so you simply need to click on this search icon. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.